Introducing the Honeywell Warm Mist Humidifier. This filter-free humidifier provides up to 99.5% bacteria-free warm mist to help create a comfortable breathing environment. The built-in essential oil cup provides opportunity to use your favorite oils for added comfort. Ideal for medium to large-sized rooms, this humidifier runs for up to 24 hours and features 2 output settings. The wide tank opening allows for easy filling and cleaning. The unit will automatically turn off when the humidifier runs out of water. And a reset light turns on to indicate that the tank needs to be refilled. For soothing relief from dry air discomforts, try the Honeywell Warm Mist Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.